kind of like it, because even though Frida was a surrealist painter, she didn't paint anything really pretty. Everything was kind of very ugly, but she was painting just her perception of her daily life. When it comes to Frida Krueger, it was kind of like he had a fucked up ass life that made him want to go ahead and get into people's dreams and convert them into nightmares. So like I felt like mixing in both personalities.
I mean, you don't plan on giving nobody nightmares, do you?
Well,
just crossed your mind?
I mean, yeah, actually, yeah, I do. I plan to give people a lot of nightmares because I want to be able. Nightmares wake you up. You remember nightmares. Sometimes you don't remember sweet dreams, but you remember those nightmares that scared you. And sometimes you need a lot of reality checks, and I feel like that's what I am as an artist. Like I'm a rager, I'm a reality check. That as a woman, I don't have to be completely beautiful all the time. I can be angry, I can be passionate, like, because that's really who we are. I am an angry black woman at the end of the day, you know? Real nigga shit.
Ay Dios, Moreno.
I love your beats.
Be very careful who you call out to. They might pop up. Screaming Frida! Frida! They're asking me to free her, but you don't wanna see her. Screaming Frida! Say la! My chopper be singing it go la! You don't want no problems with me now. Frida Krueger, bitch, I told you that I'm hot. Bank up, bitch, get off me, yeah, I'm out. I make it rain, then I clear it out. Chicken noodle, bitch, I'm fucking hot. You wish you knew what I fucking does. I drip so hard that I'm causing floods. Ooh, I don't want your hugs, ma'am, please don't touch me. I don't want your love. I don't got time for you motherfucking dubs. I'm getting money, red hair like Peg Bundy, one knee like Ben Lundy. I make your bitch bend for me, screaming Frida! Me, then say it in threes. The realer, the realest, the killer. To talk to my hater, I look in the mirror, I always deliver. Cutting these checks while I'm cleaning my clippers. Cinderella and Tim took off the slippers. They can't beat me, and that's why they better. I'm who they wanna be, I am the picture. Ooh, bitch, you a cookie, your nigga a looker, and I'm a looker. I make you so shook, girl. Bitch, I'm a pusher, you Ashton Kutcher. I am the sun, you are a punk. I never claim you, bitch, you're not my son. You are a dub, you are a joke. I am the pope, but I don't say no hoes. I don't say no hoes. I am the pope, but I don't say no hoes. I don't say no ops and I don't say no jokes. Cause I just got built and I only got time for some bitches who get out of business, who stick to the fitness, who move with precision, who stick to my vision and play their position. Screaming Frida! You know how we get it, you see how we living. Frida! You hate on the kid, man, fuck how you feeling. Go get you a million. They asking me to free her, screaming Frida. Say that. My chopper be singing it go la. You don't want no problems with me now. Frida Krueger, bitch, I told you that I'm hot. Back up, bitch, get off me, yeah, I'm out. Long live and Hendrix. 32 hoes up.